What's going on, guys? Like I said, me today we're here at the program. The video that you saw, I'm gonna be right here. The video that you guys just saw was like 1 minute 16. Cause I was playing FIFA. We're playing FIFA. No, we're playing FIFA, right? So we went to like one. Then the phone stopped. I don't know. And I'm free when we're from the video.
We couldn't. It feels so good to be in George's video, but the thing that doesn't go as good with is Joel. Sorry, Joel, if you're listening to this video, I feel bad for you because I'm in it 2 times in a row in one day. So let's get this video started.
Thumbs up and subscribe if you're new.
Didn't you say thumbs up?
It's a subscribe. Okay. Are you ready? You're ready. So eventually it's running. Go. I'm going. Are you going, me? You're going. Okay. Yeah, you kick the ball. Yeah. All around familiar faces. Next goal. New. Post. Go. Don't say bad words. Stop cussing. Alright guys, I'm gonna stop it like in 2 minutes. 3 minutes.